Imagine standing in your room when suddenly your feet lift off the floor. You're not jumping, you're floating, along with your bed, your furniture, your phone, even the air itself. No, this isn't a dream. Earth has just lost its gravity. What happens next is pure cosmic chaos. For starters, gravity is what holds everything down, including you, me, our oceans, and even the air we breathe. It's what keeps the moon orbiting Earth and Earth orbiting the sun. So, if gravity suddenly vanished, every object that isn't tightly bolted to the ground would instantly start floating upward. That means people, pets, cars, trees, oceans, yes, even water molecules would drift into the sky. Within seconds, the atmosphere would begin to tear apart. Air, no longer held down, would expand and dissipate into space. We'd struggle to breathe, and temperatures would plummet since Earth would lose its insulating blanket of gas. You'd need an oxygen tank and a space suit, and fast. The oceans would behave even more dramatically. Without gravity to pull them down, massive waves of water would lift off the surface and begin to drift into the sky in chaotic blobs. Entire seas would become water clouds in low orbit. It would look beautiful and absolutely terrifying. On a larger scale, our planet would become unstable. The moon, no longer tethered by Earth's gravity, would shoot off into space. Earth's orbit around the sun would collapse. With no gravitational anchor, our planet would veer off in a straight line at 30 kilometers per second. It would become a rogue planet, drifting endlessly into the darkness of deep space. But here's the scary part: gravity doesn't just hold things on Earth. It holds Earth together. Without it, the planet itself would start falling apart. Tectonic plates would drift apart. Volcanoes might erupt without pressure. And the molten core? It could expand or collapse violently, unleashing global catastrophe. And you? You'd be tumbling through the sky, struggling to grab onto anything, but there'd be nothing to grab. If you were inside a sealed room or a spaceship-like chamber, you might survive a bit longer. But the clock would be ticking. Satellites would spiral out of control. The International Space Station would no longer have a stable orbit. GPS would fail. Communications would collapse. Earth's magnetic field, powered by its spinning core, could vanish. We'd be defenseless against solar radiation. All of this from one missing force: gravity. It's the invisible glue of the cosmos. Take it away, and the universe becomes unrecognizable. So the next time you feel your feet firmly planted on the ground, think gravity. It's the only reason we're still here. If that mind-bending trip through a gravity-free world fascinated you, imagine what's next. Make sure to subscribe to Infinite If, drop a like, and share this video with someone who loves science fiction or science fact. And if you're ready for more what-if wonders, the universe is just a click away. Rocket Milky Way.